Hey guys, this is Mr. H back. Doing another word problem from the Algebra Regents exam. This is from the January 2023 exam. Um, it is 6 points. I'm going to do 2 parts. I'm going to come up with equations and then I'm going to show you how to find the equations using your calculator. Let's go. So it says Aiden and his sister Ella are having a race. Aiden runs at a rate of 10 feet per second. Now, I've done a couple of these, and if you've been following with me, you know that there's two formats that the equations can come in. Come in standard form, or they can come in slope-intercept form. Now, without going any further, I know this is going to be slope-intercept form because they're giving us a slope. They said that he's running at a rate of 10 feet per second. Slope is nothing more than rate. So Aiden is running at 10 feet per second. His sister is running at 6 feet per second. So I know I'm going to have two linear equations in slope-intercept form. So let's go. It's so it says since Ella is younger, Aiden is giving her a 30 feet head start, basically. And it says let Y represent the starting distance, the distance from the starting line, and Y is the time elapsed. So we're going to have two equations. Aiden's equation, I'm going to write it as a function. Oh, no, I can't. They gave me what they want. I can do this. Aiden is going to be Y equals, what's his slope? It's 10 feet per second. So it's going to be 10x. And I'm just going to put it there. And then I'm going to say his sister, Ella, she has an equation of 6 feet per second, but she gets a head start. So that means she's going to be 30 feet in front of her brother. Now I could either make this minus 30 or make this plus 30. It doesn't matter. I could have done that. I could have said Aiden is starting at a deficit of 30 feet behind. But I think it's easier and it's more intuitive to say that Ella starts with a 30 feet head start. And now that I've got these two equations, they want to know how long will it take for Aiden to catch his sister. So all you're going to do is graph both of these and find where they intersect. So let's do that. Get rid of this. Now, we are given two functions. So this is Aiden, X. And then I am going to do his sister Ella. And she was running at six feet per second. So 6x. And she had a head start of 30 feet. So press enter. Now, we don't see the answer or the intersection, so we're going to zoom out. Menu 44. I'm going to start here, press it until I can see something. All right, looks like I got an intersection now. So now what I'm going to do is menu 6, 4, start over to the left, pull it until you see the word intersection. Once you see that, you can stop. So here it is. So this is saying, so what does X stand for? Let's go back and look. X stands for the time that was elapsed. And then what's Y stand for? It stands for the distance from the starting line. So what we want to know is how much time did it take before those two guys were at the same distance? And what we would say is it took him 7.5 seconds to catch his sister. And they were 7.5 or 75 feet from the starting line. So after basically she ran 45 feet and he ran 75 feet, but he caught her, and that's where they were equal. That's all that's saying. So it took him 7.5 seconds to catch his sister, and he caught her after 75 feet. He ran 75 feet. She obviously didn't run 75 feet. She ran 45 feet, but that's our answer. All right, so if I go back here, I would say he caught her. Aiden caught her after 7.5 seconds. Boom, done. All right, +1, +1. If they said do this algebraically, which they might have said, that would, if I just did it graphically, that would be +1. So I think the goal, I would be happy if my students got like 4 out of 6 of the points. I think even if you graph it, you should be able to, and you are confident, you should be able to get 5 out of 6 generally, but I'll take 4 out of 6. So that's the goal. All right, let's go. I'm going to stop and post this.